I'm Serena here for WDW Magazine, and today we're going to be talking about Minnie Vans. Now, these are Disney's taxi transportation service that they offer to guests who are staying at Disney World Resort. And they've been around for a little while, but a lot of people still have a lot of questions about how to use them. So today we're going to show you how to take a Minnie Van from your resort to any Disney park using the LYFT app. Let's get started. Now, I am here at the Port Orleans French Quarter Resort to test out the Minnie Van service, but you don't have to be staying at one of the Disney resorts to use the service. In fact, Minnie Van service will work anywhere on Walt Disney World property. As long as you are on the property, you can use the LYFT app and request a Minnie Van to take you anywhere else on Disney World property. In order to call a Minnie Van to pick you up, you use the LYFT app. And we're going to show you exactly how to do that. You want to install the LYFT app on your phone ahead of time if you can, to save you a little bit of time. Let's show you how it works. Okay, when you open the LYFT app, it'll show you a map of where you're currently located and some of the vehicles that are around you that you could potentially get to pick you up. We're going to go down here to search destination, Magic Kingdom. I already put that in for us, and we'll hit search. Now, it gives you a couple different options. We're going to want to do Magic Kingdom Park, but honestly, any of those will work. Okay, so that's where we are, and that's where we're going. Now's the part where you choose whether you want to use a regular LYFT car or you want to use a Minnie Van. It'll automatically default to the economy option, which is the basic LYFT car with various upgrades based on how many seats you need and what type of car you want to look for. But we're gonna swipe over. It starts in economy, we're gonna go to luxury, extra seats, and more. And once you get to more, that's where you see Minnie Van option. Now, if you notice, the cars on the map have actually switched to Minnie Vans now. Make sure we can see that. And these are the vans that are in the area that are able to pick you up. Select Minnie Van. There we go. It already filled in Port Orleans French Quarter for us. Front desk, that's their closest pickup point, and we're going to say confirm pickup. It says it's just about here, and looks like it is. We are just right out front of French Quarter, waiting for it to pull up. Go over here in the shade so we can see it better. There it is. Oh, thank you so much.
To the State Center, then you've got to do the monorail, or you have to do the ferry boat, which in itself is not a bad thing, especially if you've never done it before. But that saves you having to do that, so probably saves you a half an hour or 45 minutes, depending on if you get a monorail or a ferry boat right away.
Sure. Yeah, no, that's a definite time savings for sure. Now, how many people can fit in the Minnie Van?
We can fit 6 people inside the van.
Okay, so 6 people, not counting the driver, and you can have
2 car seats.
2 car seats. Okay, good to know. And are they baby, toddler, convertible?
They're real good ones, because my trainer told me she wishes she would have bought those because they grow with the child. Nice. They start out from the babies. I mean, I've had an 8-week-old up to just under 6 years old. They have to be in a car seat. Okay. So we change it over to a booster seat if they need be. So we can handle anything from newborns all the way up to they don't need a car seat anymore. 8 hours of training. Okay. Car seats.
Just on the car seats.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, we have 9 days of training, but one day was fully of nothing but car seats.
Wow. It's nice getting dropped off right here. You're literally just gonna walk right in.
Bus stop 8. Okay. And this is where we stop.
Love this.
And if you decide to use the minis on your way back, this is exactly the same spot.
All right. So you heard him. Bus stop 8, right here. This is where, if you're heading to Magic Kingdom, this is where you will get dropped off and picked up. All right, let's head over to Magic Kingdom. Now we are right here. This is a huge time savings. We don't have to take a ferry, a monorail, a boat, a bus. We're just gonna walk right into the park from here. And And there we go, we're in the Magic Kingdom. Literally took probably 5 minutes, walk through security and go through the gate. So that ride from Port Orleans to the Magic Kingdom cost us about $32. Tip is optional and you can add that right on the app. Minnie Vans are more expensive than a typical Uber or Lyft. So why is that? Well, you're paying for convenience. You're getting a quicker drop off, especially when you come to Magic Kingdom in certain locations. You're gonna get a more convenient drop off and pickup area. You're getting some peace of mind and security of having a cast member that is a driver. Maybe it makes you feel a little more comfortable with doing an Uber or a Lyft and knowing that you're going to have a cast member drive you. You also get a 6-seater car with 2 car seats. So those are considered upgrades on the LYFT app. If you were to use LYFT, you would have to pay additional money for a larger car and additional car seats. So that would increase your price a bit. So the best thing to do if you want to cost compare is to get the LYFT app and put in your starting point, whatever resort you're going to stay at, and then just price compare the different routes between where you want to go and where you want to end up. And you'll be able to kind of make your own decision as to whether the Minnie Vans are the right choice for you, or maybe you would rather use a Lyft or an Uber. I will say that using the Minnie Vans is a really great experience. It's fun, talking to the driver's fun, and it does make it more a part of the overall Disney vacation experience. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Serena here for WDW Magazine, and we will see you real soon. Bye-bye.